I like doing these place value charts with adding and subtracting decimals so much that I wanted to do another lesson with you about it. Here we have 3 and 1500ths plus 92 hundredths. So I'm going to start by showing the 3 and 1500ths. I've got 3 wholes, 3 ones, 1/10. Of course, we know that tenth is equal to a single tenth. Each little one is equal to one of those. And I've got 500ths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And of course, I know that each single hundredth is worth 1/100th. That's its worth. It's tiny. Still, it means something. Now, we're not subtracting. We are adding for this one. So I want to show that I can add 92 hundredths. Now, I don't have any ones, so I don't add anything in this place. This stays the same. But I can add those 9/10ths there. This is very interesting. When I show adding 9, I can see already that the 9 plus the 1 will bundle to make 10. Well, let's do that right now. We can bundle this to make 10. And what do we do with it? That's right, move it over to the left. It becomes the next greater place value, a new 1. And now, are there any tenths left over that we didn't bundle? No. There's none left. Okay. We're going to add how many hundredths? 2, because we've already gotten the 9/10ths. Add 2 hundredths. Now to put it all together, that's 4 ones. 0 tenths, none left over. 7. What was that? Wackadoo. 7 hundredths. Or 4 7/100ths. Nice work. I think the subtraction ones are my favorites because you get to cross things out and show your work that way. I like crossing stuff out. So here I have my ones, the important decimal place. I've got my tenths here, we know that's tenths. And I got my hundredths here. We know these are hundredths. Apostrophe S, apostrophe S. So remember with subtracting, we do have to take some steps in order. We first have to show the larger number. And that's 1 whole, 2 tenths, 6 hundredths. All right. Now we start subtracting from them. We start crossing out as we need. So I'm looking here and I'm noticing that, remember I always start with the smallest value and then I move my way that way when I subtract. So take away 3 hundredths, we definitely can. We can remove 3 hundredths. And we're left with just 3 left over. All right, then we have to remove 8 tenths. We don't have 8 tenths. No chance. We've only got 2. What do? Unbundle. Unbundle this 1 to make 10 new ones. Oh, that's great. Now I can cross off 8. I got more than enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many left? 4. Do I have any ones? No, I do not. 1 26 hundredths minus 83 hundredths equals 43 hundredths.